Hi Kakabsat! Today I'll be unboxing something super special, a gift from my hubby. The original Amirat Al Arab perfume. It's my first time to have this kind of perfume. Lately, nahilig kasi ako sa perfume and napaka-supportive ni hubby. Ang ganda ng packaging, sobrang elegant. Ang royalty vibes talaga. It comes in a stunning velvet box, soft to touch, deep royal red, and yun nga, very elegant. Parang ano siya, jewelry box ng isang Arabian princess. Okay, sa box, makikita mo may nakasulat din na Princess of Arabia. May gold details and Arabic letters sa harap. And pag hinawakan mo yung box, super soft yung kanyang velvet. By the way, beware of fakes po ha. Marami po kasing nagkalat ngayon ng mga fake po talaga. Ayan, here comes the bottle. Mukha talaga siyang yayamanin. Sobrang ganda ng bottle. Gold and crystal-like, shimmering talaga siya under the light. This Amirat Al Arab by Latafa is not your typical girly scent ha. It's mature, confident, and classy. Bagay siya for romantic dates, evening events, or anytime gusto mong ma-feel na ikaw yung princess. Ganun. Sa unang spray, mapapansin mo talaga na matamis siya na may floral scent na parang mix ng rose at jasmine. And after a few minutes, nagsisettle siya into something warmer like may halong amber, moss, and hint of vanilla. So ayan na, kahit nakapambahay ako ngayon at patulog na, itatry ko talaga siya. Hindi pwedeng hindi. Nagulat na lang ako nasa bag ko na to. Thank you, love. Thanks for noticing even the little things about me. Talaga namang happy wife, happy life.